Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. So today we are going to learn how to remove these cross buttons. Sometimes we don't require it. Sometimes we have to just show whatever the values we have to show in just the form of the tagging. So how we are going to do that? We are going to learn in this video. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So there is a property in the ngx chips that is called display read only, I guess. Okay, so there is a read only property. So you need to just copy this object and make it over here. So here we go with this one. So here we have the app modules components. So here you can see that we have like this options, right? So we have to convert into the this format object tag model. Okay, please add the read only attribute to each tag model as a truthy value instead. Okay, so here we have to change this object. Okay, so we have to add like this. First it comes with the display. I think it should be a display. Okay, like this. I'm adding this one and to remove this. First we have add pizza. Okay, so next we have to copy this and add the burger. Should value should be like 1. It's to be true. Okay, and make a new one. Sandwich. Okay, make it 3. Right, save this and go and check. See, the cross buttons are not more. Okay, so if you want such kind of functionality, you can go for this one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. The property that we are using is just read only. Okay, this for the display, it's showing what we have to pass the display for showing every time in the component this one. Okay, so it will automatically take the okay this one. Okay, so display is important, and the read only for just removing the close one. Okay, and the rest of the part you can manipulate accordingly. Okay, so any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.